Welcome to our Arduino Greek channel. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through creating an intelligent parking sensor system using Arduino. This system uses a sonar sensor to measure the distance between your car and obstacles, providing a visual indication with RGB LEDs. The RGB LEDs are strategically positioned to give you a quick glance at your car's proximity to obstacles. Here's how it works. Green zone, over 1 m, all LEDs glow green, indicating a safe distance. Yellow zone, 70 cm, 1 m, LED 1 remains green, while LED 2 turns yellow, offering a cautious warning. Orange zone, 50 cm to 70 cm, all LEDs turn green, providing a clear signal to proceed carefully. Red zone, 20 cm to 50 cm, LED 3 turns yellow, then LED 2, and finally LED 1, signaling an imminent risk. Critical zone, under 20 cm, all LEDs blink rapidly, warning of an immediate obstacle. Feel free to explore and modify the code to suit your preferences and requirements. Hardware: Arduino board, sonar sensor, RGB LEDs, 5 in total. Before diving into the code, ensure you have the following components: Arduino board, sonar sensor, HC, SR04 or similar, RGB LEDs, 5 in total, jumper wires. Connect the components according to the specified pin configuration in the RGB LEDs array. Double-check your connections to avoid any issues. For saving time, we prepare the connections for you. Download and install required libraries. Make sure you have the NewPing library installed into Wokwi. Install it if you haven't already. Copy the provided code and paste it into Wokwi. Understand the code. Now, let's understand the key parts of the code. Distance measurement. The NewPing library is used to measure distances with the sonar sensor. The sonar.ping_cm function returns the distance in centimeters. LED control. The setRGB function is responsible for setting the color of an individual LED. The setAllRGB function sets the color of all LEDs simultaneously. The blink LED function makes an LED blink with a specified interval. The blinkAllLEDs function blinks all LEDs together. Distance mapping. The code maps the measured distance to specific LED behaviors. LEDs change colors based on predefined distance thresholds, e.g., green over 1 m, yellow at 70 cm, red at 20 cm. Blinking behavior. If the distance is under 20 cm, LEDs blink rapidly to indicate a critical proximity to an obstacle. Test your parking sensor system. Power up your Wokwi simulation and test the system by setting virtual various distances. Observe how the RGB LEDs respond to changes in distance. Customize and explore. Feel free to customize the code to match your preferences or adapt it for different scenarios. Experiment with different LED colors, distance thresholds, or even add additional features. Share your experience. Share your experience and results with the Arduino Greek community. We'd love to see your implementations and hear about any modifications you made. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting Arduino Greek projects. Happy tinkering!